Why visit Zurich in 2023? Because here, you don't just travel through a city, you journey through time. Experience the magic of Zurich, where tomorrow is crafted with the wisdom of yesterday. But what truly sets Zurich 2023 apart is its celebration of culture. The city is alive with festivals, from traditional Swiss events to international music, film, and food festivals. Every visit promises a different experience, a different story. Historic Old Town, Altstadt. Wander through the narrow streets and alleys filled with medieval and Renaissance buildings. Key attractions include Grossmünster, Frauminster, and St. Peter's Church, which boasts the largest clock face in Europe. Lake Zürich, a picturesque lake that offers boat rides, paddle boarding, and opportunities for picnics along its shores. The promenade is perfect for a leisurely stroll, and there are several parks and cafes lining the lake. Bahnhofstrasse, one of the world's most exclusive shopping streets. Even if you're not shopping, it's worth a walk to experience its bustling atmosphere and admire the window displays. Swiss National Museum, housed in a fairy tale neo-Gothic building, the museum offers a comprehensive collection of historical artifacts, providing insights into Swiss cultural history from prehistoric times to the present. Uetliberg Mountain, for the best panoramic views of the entire city of Zurich, the lake, and the snow-capped Alps. Take a hike or a train ride up to Uetliberg. Zurich Zoo, home to over 360 animal species, the zoo's Masola Rainforest and Kang-Krachen Elephant Park are particularly noteworthy. Lindenhof, a peaceful city square that offers a unique view of the Old Town. University of Zurich, Limmat River, and the University Hospital Zurich. Zurich Opera House. If you're a fan of performing arts, consider catching a show at this renowned venue, which hosts over 250 performances each year. Thermal Bath and Spa Zurich. Located in a former brewery, this architectural masterpiece is a place to relax in warm, mineral-rich waters while enjoying views of the city from its rooftop pool. Taste Swiss cuisine. From traditional dishes like fondue and raclette to the world-famous Swiss chocolates and cheeses, Zurich offers a culinary journey that shouldn't be missed. FAQs for traveling in Zurich. What is the best time to visit Zurich? While Zurich is beautiful year-round, many travelers prefer the summer months, June to August, for warm weather and outdoor activities. However, winter, December to February, is ideal for those looking to experience the city's festive atmosphere. What currency is used in Zurich? Switzerland uses the Swiss franc, CHF, often represented as Father or SFR. Is Zurich expensive for tourists? Zurich is often considered one of the more expensive cities in Europe. However, with careful planning, it's possible to enjoy the city on a budget. Is it safe to drink tap water in Zurich? Yes, tap water in Zurich is of high quality and safe to drink. Do most people speak English? While the official language is German, many residents and service providers in Zurich speak English, especially in tourist areas.